I have decided, yes, I've decided to follow Jesus for all of my days. I have decided, yes, I've decided to follow Jesus for all of my days.
Hello again. Now we are in chapter 6 of spiritual power from the Preparing for Victory weekend. So this is our chapter 6 as we read in book of Acts chapter 1 verse 8. But you will receive power when the Holy Spirit has come upon you, and you will be my witnesses in Jerusalem and in all Judea and Samaria and to the end of the earth. As we have read this in the book of Acts, Jesus speaking to his disciple as he ascended into heaven, na pumunta na siya sa langit at umangat na siya. The disciple is looking at them intensely na paalis na si Jesus Christ. But Jesus Christ, before siya umalis, sinabi niya to na you will receive power when the Holy Spirit come upon them. Kasi parating nga ng Holy Spirit. Even in the book of John, it speaks about na may parating na helper and comforter for us. And this is part of our preparing for victory weekend na tayo, we will also receive the power of the Holy Spirit and we will be baptized of the Holy Spirit. Kumbaga, tayo ay magiging ma-fill in tayo ng Holy Spirit and the Holy Spirit will dwell in our hearts. It's a promise for us from Jesus Christ. Kaya nga pag tinignan po natin ng Old Testament, the power of the Holy Spirit was given for the special occasions lang. Kumbaga pag nakita natin when Saul prophesied before siya maging king, when Moses was being empowered with the miracles, when Samson was given a strength na hindi katulad ng normal na tao, those kinds of power of the Holy Spirit has given to the certain people to do miracle for God and to see and to show nung power ni God sa mga tao. But when we look at the New Testament, we will see how God used the Holy Spirit, or the Holy Spirit is indwelling, mga nanirahan ang banal na Espiritu sa mga disciples. And even nakita natin the work of the Holy Spirit sa buhay ni Jesus Christ. As we have read nga sa John, remember Jesus reminding his disciples na pag alis niya darating ng helper. And the Holy Spirit is a comforter for us. He is our teacher, He is our comforter, He is our helper. Na it's impossible for Christian to live on our own without the Holy Spirit. We need the Holy Spirit to empower us. I like the part nung sinabi na the Holy Spirit will teach us from all the truth. Nung tuturuan niya tayo sa lahat ng katotohanan. And nakakatuwa yun na there are parts of our life na hindi tayo sigurado kung ano nung tama at mali, or sabihin natin nabubuhay na pala tayo sa kasinungalingan tapos di natin alam. And the Holy Spirit will open our hearts and mind to see those kind of part ng mga buhay natin. Kaya nga sobra lang na God never leave us kasi He has given us His Spirit so that we can live nung tamang buhay, in the truth, that nung buhay natin nakaayon sa katotohanan. Nakakatuwa lang din dun na we are being filled. Sa pagbinasa natin sa Acts, when Peter if you remember, diba, dininay niya si Jesus Christ. But when he saw Jesus Christ being risen from the dead, and when he received the Holy Spirit and be filled with the Holy Spirit, naging bold siya sa pagpipreach about kay Jesus Christ. Yung baga nung takot niya talaga before na dininay niya si Jesus Christ, ngayon na na-receive na ng Holy Spirit, sobrang tapang na niya at sobrang bold siya sa pagpipreach ng gospel. And he was being filled by the Holy Spirit. Kumbaga, napupuno siya ng banal na Espiritu. So, the promise of the Holy Spirit is also for you then. For you as a Victory Weekend participant. I hope na makita mo rin siya na it's a promise ni God para sa iyo din. as for me din, tayo as a believer, lahat tayo, we will receive the power of the Holy Spirit. I pray na you will desire it, magustuhan mo siya, na magkaroon siya, or dumating ang banal na Espiritu sa mga buhay mo, buhay natin, kasi ang laking part na kayang gawin niya sa buhay natin. If you remember si Paul, di ba, nung time na pinipersecute niya ang mga church, sabi nga sa Acts 9, if you remember that, pinersecute na yung church, tapos nabulag siya because of the brightness, and then God, si Jesus Christ, kinuman niya si Ananias to go to Paul, and he lay his hand on him and pray, and nung blindness ni Paul, na-receive niya ulit nung kanyang sight because of that, because of si Ananias, he was be powered by the Holy Spirit as he pray, na heal doon si Paul. And Paul also received the Holy Spirit. Nagkaroon siya ng baptism of the Holy Spirit. Ibig sabihin, lahat po tayo, God has promises it. Even if you remember nung kay Peter sa Acts 10, nung he's with the family ni Cornelius, Cornelius a Gentile people na hindi sila mga Jew, but he started to believe in God, and God command Cornelius to kuhanin niya si Peter dito sa place na to at sasabihin niya ng good news about paano maliligtas siya at even his family. So very important siya na tayo rin, we have see it like this, na tayo rin may promise si God that we will receive the Holy Spirit. As Peter nga go to that place, he preached the gospel to them, and after the Peter preaching the gospel to them, nung Holy Spirit bumaba siya, and he realized na the Holy Spirit is also for the Gentiles, it's also for these people, kaya na-receive din nila nung promise ng Holy Spirit. And I hope na today, as your own personal time, na inaaral mo rin tong manual na to, as you answer it also, you're also being empowered by the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit also guiding us para masagutan natin to. At syempre, nung maunawaan natin. And as we face naman nung Victory Weekend, darating na nung Friday, let us be, isa yun sa inaantay natin, na we will also receive the Holy Spirit. We will be filled, and the Holy Spirit will dwell in our hearts, and He will start to guide us. And very important kasi po yan as we go nung life natin as a Christian. Kaya nga sabi ko po ulit, it is very important for us as a Christian na it's impossible for us to live a Christian life without the Holy Spirit. Kaya itong spiritual power na to na speaks about the power of the Holy Spirit in our life, very important siya, kasi this is God promised to every believer na hindi tayo mabubuhay on our own, but kasama natin si God. And again, I pray na you will see this as a very important part of our Christian life, nung walk natin kay God. Again, maraming salamat po, and God bless. Thank you.